Like many of us, you may be in the process of changing your live activities and games into online or computer-based activities. Did you know with just a little bit of knowledge about PowerPoint, you can create game elements such as spinning wheels, countdown timers, sound effects, stuff like that? Well, you can, and it's very easy to do. But in this lesson today, we're going to focus solely on creating multiple choice questions with feedback, as well as create a little sound effects in there. So you ready? Let's get started.
In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how our final product is going to look. So we've got a multiple choice question with answer choices on the side here. So each one of the answer choices, when it's clicked on, will take you to a feedback slide, letting the user know whether the answer is correct or incorrect. And there's going to be some sound effects in there as well. So let's take a look and see what we're going to learn today. If you have a basic understanding of PowerPoint, these objectives should be pretty easy for you. After this session, you'll be able to create answer buttons for multiple choice questions, create feedback for correct and incorrect answer choices, and add sound effects to correct and incorrect answer choices. In this section, you'll learn how to create answer buttons for multiple choice questions. Okay, creating answer buttons in PowerPoint is pretty simple. First thing we're going to do is go to Insert and then Shapes. And then I've been using the rounded rectangle shape. There you're going to left click and drag the box to about the shape you want it. That looks about right. Now we'll type in the answer choice. Alright, then we need to make it match the other two, so we're going to change the font and the font size and color. And then we got to make the background match, so we got to format shape. There's a few things you can do in here, but I used gradient fill and I went from a yellow to an orange to a red. And that's about it. Now it's your turn to practice creating answer buttons. Read the instructions on the screen, and when you're ready to begin, click Next. Looks like you're comfortable adding answer buttons. Now let's add hyperlinks and sound effects. So now that we've created our multiple choice question and our answer choices, we need to make sure that the user will get feedback when they select an answer choice. So as you can see on the left, I've created two extra slides, one that says correct and one that says incorrect. So that's what will give our learners their feedback. So first we need to assign hyperlinks, and we're going to add some sound effects while we're at it. So we're going to start with modality. So we're going to select it, and then we'll go to action. And since this is our wrong answer, we're going to have to hyperlink it to the incorrect slide. So hyperlink, and then slide, and then incorrect. Then you hit OK. Don't exit out of the action box yet. Click play sound, and we'll add our sound effect. So I have a sound effect named wrong as our wrong sound effect. So now it's your turn to practice adding a hyperlink and sound to an answer choice. Read the instructions on the screen, and when you're ready to begin, click Next. And hit OK. Captivate is the right answer, so we're going to click on that button. Then once again, go to the action, hyperlink to, and then we're going to find the slide that we need to hyperlink to, and then that would be the correct feedback slide. Okay. And then play sound, check that, and then applause. Okay, and that should do it. Here's a quick recap of the main buttons you use when creating multiple choice questions with feedback in PowerPoint. If you need to review any of the lessons further, please go back to the main menu.
So how'd you do? By now you should have the skills you need for creating quizzes in your next computer-based training activity. You should be able to create multiple choice questions with feedback.